once the supply air holes are cut, the next step is to set up the furnace, which we call the air handler. Okay, because the floor here in the basement is not level, so I built a platform here. I built a platform, use concrete blocks, build a platform and make it level here. To raise the furnace a little bit in the basement is a good idea, because you never know the basement whether it's going to be flooded or you have sewer backup or whatever. So if you raise it, at least there is kind of protection for the furnace here. So the furnace is just, once the platform is built, the furnace is just setting on the platform. There's no bolts, no connection or anything, just set it freely on top of the platform. Then the next step is to put this coil, evaporating coil, on top of the furnace over there, on top of the furnace.